Hello viewers, in this video lecture we are going to see the topic JSON Introduction and Function Files from the second unit of Web Technologies. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is a text format for storing and transporting data. It is a lightweight, human-readable collection of data that can be accessed in a logical manner. Example: while working with .json file, the syntax will be like first name value, last name value. While working with the JSON object in JavaScript or HTML file, the syntax will be like var variable name equal to, which consists of sequence of name value pairs like first name value, last name value, etc. If you parse the JSON string with a JavaScript program, you can access the data as an object. JSON syntax is derived from JavaScript object notation, but the JSON format is text only. JSON format is similar to the code for creating JavaScript object. With the help of this, JavaScript program can be easily converted into JSON data into JavaScript objects. JavaScript also has a built-in function for converting an object into JSON string, that is JSON.stringify. Storing data. When storing data, the data has to be in a certain format, and regardless of where you choose to store it. Text is always one of the legal format. JSON makes it possible to store JavaScript objects as a text. JSON syntax rules. JSON syntax is derived from JavaScript object notation syntax. Data is in name value pairs. Data is separated by commas. Curly braces hold objects. Square bracket hold arrays. JSON data is written as a name value pairs. Name will be key and value. Name will act as the key to access the value. A name value pair consists of a field name followed by a colon followed by a value. For example, name colon John. The names should be present written in the double quotes. JSON values. The values must be in one of the following data types: a string, it may be a number, an object, an array, boolean, or it may be a null value. JavaScript values can be all of the above plus any other valid JavaScript expression includes a function, a date, and undefined. JavaScript objects. Because JSON syntax is derived from JavaScript object notation, very little extra software is needed to work with JSON within JavaScript. With JavaScript, you can create an object and assign data to it. JSON methods. First method is parse. This method takes a string, then transform it to a JavaScript object. Then stringify. Convert the JavaScript value to a JSON string representation. This is an example coding showing the how can we access the JavaScript object. So inside the scripting, we have defined the objects with a set of elements as a key value pairs like name, John, age 30, city, New York. And we are retrieving the value with the key. For example, we are going to get the value of the name by using the method getElementById. So we are accessing the key value with the help of the object name myObj.name. So in the output we will get the value of the name, that is the value of the key name is John will be displayed. Also we can access like person name. We will get the same value that is assigned for the name. And we can also modify the value that we have assigned previously during the object creation with the statement my obj.name equal to Gilbert. So the new value will be assigned to the key name. Now when we print the name value of the name, now we will get the new value, that is Gilbert. Also we can modify this with the statement person name equal to Gilbert. JSON function files. The file type for JSON file is .json. A common use of JSON is to read data from a web server and display the data in a web page. We need to go through the 4 steps showing how to read data using the function files. So in this example we are going to see our JavaScript program will read the menu data from the JavaScript file, external JavaScript file mytutorials.js, and displays the menu items available in the JS in our web page. Here we are actually all the list tutorial to store all the tutorial list with the link. We have created the array with the name myArray. So here the name of the text is JavaScript tutorial and the associated link have been assigned to the URL. That is we are going to display the text name with the link. For that we are having the key value pairs. The key is display value, URL value under the array. So in our array we are list out some of the tutorial list and the associated link information. So in this coding we are getting one by one array elements and we are displaying. So we have saved the array, we have saved all the list in the external JavaScript file mytutorials.js, and we have included the file in our script. So as a result of the display we are getting the output like this. All the list of tutorials will be displayed, and so this example already we have seen, that is we have created the array of objects. So in this example we have created the function with the name my function, and we are passing the my array, the same array we are going to use here. We are passing my array as a parameter to call the function my function. Actually this is our my array. This is our array. Array consists of list of tutorial names along with the associated link. So we are going to pass this array to the function so that the function will display one by one list. So when we call the function we will get the list like this. So here in this example we are going to see how to use an array literal as the argument instead of array variable to display the array items. So here also we are we are going to display those array items, and those array items have been saved as my array in our external JavaScript file. So that's all about the topic JavaScript JSON function files. Thank you.